Okay. Test for AEBL in a car. Power plugged in. Yuck. Okay. Power is plugged in. Audio plugged in. Car is an auxiliary, of course, and whoop, wrong one on the AEBL. Okay, power's off. Ready, powered on. Oh look, we have power. Ready for it? Here's this stereo volume. Network is on. Doesn't matter if it's on or not though. Radio's on. And waiting.
I was at Agenda 2000.
Oh, there we go.
And one of the people who was there was Craig Mundy, who is some kind of high mucky muck at Microsoft.
Not sure if you hear that.
Vice President of Consumer Products or something like that. And I hadn't actually met him. I bumped into him at an elevator.
That is Revolution OS.
His badge said, so you work for
the
Microsoft.
movie Revolution OS
and
playing
he
on
looked back at me and said, "Oh yeah, and what do you do?"
the speakers of the car.
Sort of a
And there you go.
Here's the archetypal, guy in a suit looking at a scruffy hacker.
So if we had a video screen in here, it would also output the audio or the video on our video screen. Yay! And of course I've got a bunch of music on this AEBL, so it'll eventually rotate. And because we're close to the network, it will update itself to the channels when it's at home in the garage. And there you go.
As Windows faces a strong challenge from Linux.
Silicon Valley has long been the place to develop new technology.